So yes, I have got the keyboard all set up. This is the default settings. The software, you can spend a long time making different profiles and different designs. You could do some crazy things like making colors go through certain parts and for different keys, whatever. But anyways, I'm just want to get this video popping. All right, this is off. I'm gonna turn on the lights right now. So that's the low setting for the lights. That's the second setting, which is I don't know, like 60%, whatever, man. It doesn't even matter, that's the second brightest. The third brightest is that one. All right. I have to say, the color is very nice. It's very bright. Look, that's like straight above view of the keyboard. Look how bright that is, man. Look at that. You can see my hand is glowing on that. It is very nice in the dark. Now, I know no one really plays games in the dark. They don't do that kind of shit. But I'll turn on the light, to make a more realistic look of how bright the light is. Alright, that's the light on. Still very bright. Of course the camera is gonna adjust a little bit, but I'll make my light even brighter. How about that? There you go. Alright, my room is pretty bright now. I'll even open up the blinds, There you go. Blinds opened up. Lights on, That's how it looks. Come on, man. That has to be one of the nicest looking RGB keyboards on the market, Shit, man. It's pretty nice. I didn't peel off this cover the Corsair, This keyboard is fantastic. The brightness and shit is fantastic. It's very good. This is my first RGB keyboard, and I have to say, shit works. I'm gonna try to play with the colors a little bit. If I'm not so successful at it, I'm just gonna go on the forums, download some profiles of different lighting profiles that other users have created and shared with others to download and enjoy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that shit. You can just see the lights are great on this, man. I would say it is it's probably worth it over the regular red lights non-RGB keyboard. This keyboard was harder to find because it's MX Blue. I think that was released after the others, MX Red and MX Brown, MX Silence, whatever. I don't know a damn thing about those whatever switches. I just can hear the difference and that's it. But this was indeed a harder one to find. I know MX Blue is pretty popular out there, but just know that you can get it. I got this one off of Newegg. So go check that shit out, I think I saw it on Amazon also from one seller. So yeah, guys, this is the Corsair Strafe RGB MX Blue switches. We're gonna have more keyboard shit, more keyboard content coming up. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Please let us know what you want to see. If you guys let us know, we can better, tune our content to your liking. We're gonna have some brand names, some knockoff shit. We aren't real keyboard experts, okay? This is probably the first shit things you guys watch it about these keyboards where the guy talking about the keyboard sounds like a thug. I'm just sorry about that. But anyways, it's just entertainment. You know, this shit's just entertainment. Don't take it to heart. And I mean, I just try to keep it entertaining instead of sounding like the typical reviewer. Like, today we're covering the Corsair Strafe. And the Corsair Strafe is a great keyboard. No, none of that shit, you know? I just try to keep it real with you guys. Who the hell talks like that? You guys, you know, hearing that someone speak like that in front of the camera about the keyboard is like going to class and listening to a professor lecture, you know? If you want to hear someone speaking like that, go attend a lecture or some shit like that, you know? This is Team Triggerful here. And stay tuned. Until next time, guys. Peace.